Hi, Margaret. Yeah, there's a quick way to change this. I should have addressed this for you in the video, but when you get to a certain minimum width, boom, it hits that. That tells me you're using a column small, COL-SM for small. You can actually use XS. So let's just do a bootstrap. Go to CSS reference for a second. I could tell you off the top of my head, but just want to show you where I go to about 28 times a day in reference. We're going to the grid system, okay, and we're looking for the grid system. No, let's just scroll down here. Okay, there it is right there, column-XS. So what this means basically is on a small device, anything smaller, less than 768 pixels, then do whatever it's supposed to do. Okay, and typically you'd use this for if you don't want something to resize, for example, on a mobile. Let's just view the source on this bit here and find out. You see right there, column small 2, change that SM to XS. Okay, and then as we resize the browser, look, right? Now, this image then would need to be responsive. So let's take a look at the image itself. Okay, you need to get rid of the width and the height for the image. So go into your page and get rid of the width 120, the height 461. Get rid of that altogether. Then make sure that your image is actually that right size, okay? And then you may need to, you see you have a style, height, width 140. So here is something that's going to cause a bit of a problem too on mobile. This is inline, and that means that on a mobile device, no matter what, it's always going to be 670 pixels high and always 140 pixels wide. So almost no matter what you do up here, it's not going to make much of a difference if you have an inline style right here. Okay, so get rid of the height and the width on the image. I would get rid of the style right here. Okay. And if you have to write a class, then we can do it. At least if you write a class, then you can use your media queries to say, okay, 768 and below, this class will do X, Y, and Z. 769 and above, it's going to do A, B, and C. Right? So you can write one class, but have it do different things at different resolutions. So anyways, we need to change this to XS. We need to get rid of this. You can leave style in there and just get rid of this stuff here. And we need to get rid of the width and height next. That's sort of the next step. So those three key things. Then this image should automatically resize. We may need to add a class of img-responsive. So I'll just put that in the ticket. So in place of width and height right here, you're going to put class equals, then double quotes, img-responsive. I'll put that class in the ticket so you can copy and paste it in there. So may fix things, may not fix things, but definitely those are the next steps.